Gonna do that. Oh, look at you. Are you gonna bounce for me? Bouncy boy. What are you doing? You're gonna bump into the wall. Hey, come on, bounce. Let's see you do that. Oh, yeah. That fun?
Yeah.
Caleb,
Was worth keeping?
Caleb, look at me. There, okay,
You know, I
come
put a
on.
different type, like
That's it.
new, like a compact rest in there.
Bouncy
So
boy.
it's like